here we go. Just checking if everything is working. Told you, short the whole week. Don't be surprised. I think this could be a little bit overreaction. Just double checking here. Yeah, everything is working. It's great. So basically just gonna wait for it to see where we're gonna go for the next 5-10 minutes. But DAX and Nasdaq is selling off currently. We are testing pretty important support for the DAX around 500, Nasdaq as well 25,000. So I would be surprised if we really managed to break much lower, but we could. So I want to see where are we gonna go today. Gonna add pretty heavily to this one here to finish the week strong. I'm pretty confident what I'm gonna do today. So don't rush anything, don't panic, take it super chill. We could always trade DAX if Nasdaq is not giving us an opportunity. DAX is around a support. I mean, it could continue to sell off, but I think we're gonna stop here, okay? There's no news, it's delayed due to shutdown. So let's see. We have Nasdaq breaking out of the 25,000 range. Will 950 hold? That's what we have to see. From highs of 26,300, we are down over 1,300 points, okay? So I'm waiting for break of structure above 60, then I'm gonna go for long. Again, I don't know if you saw my DAX session, but we have a 5 and 15 minute orb, but it was a fake out, okay? They was trying to manipulate it, they pushed it, and they could do the same here as well, okay? So they could try to push it down, and then it's still long, and they could still try to push it like really up, and you think, oh, we're gonna take a breakout. No, we're not gonna take a breakout, only if it's very clear and the direction is actually pointing toward new high. Okay, so we want to see higher highs and higher lows. Let's see here. So DAX is actually holding around 500. Nasdaq is also holding around 950. I'm pretty confident we could start seeing some support here at 950. So I'll start doing a light long position around a potential support. You don't have to copy me. I'm buying it here. Gonna have a pretty tight stop loss. If it doesn't work, I'm closing with a loss, okay? So I'm buying the Nasdaq right here. This first position, I could always exit. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, okay? Let's see here if this is gonna sell all the way back. I think they're gonna try to take some liquidity around 930. But let's see. I'm gonna stay in here light, and then I will add more to it heavily once we're breaking out, okay? Remember the stop loss in place. Again, we can always add to it. I think 25 points sell off more, and then I think we're gonna turn quick back 100 points, but I could be wrong, okay? So just be careful here. So Nasdaq opened at 25,000. We break below, let's see here. It could sell more off. I'm thinking about adding to a Nasdaq. Let's see here. I think we're gonna stop moving stop loss to 86. And I'm adding more to it. Don't copy, it's a risky trade, okay? So I don't recommend you copy this one. Stay in light, okay? Let's see if it actually, okay, so we below 900 now on the US tech. Again, it could dump harder, just so you're aware. It's really selling off heavily now. 850 could be the support. Let's see. Moving stop loss again here. I wouldn't recommend you copy. Okay, got stopped out there. Still think it could come back very quick. But if it breaks out, it breaks out. Let's see, got stopped out also on the second one. Let's see if we're gonna hold here. if the market is gonna continue, okay? We have an orb triggered soon. I thought it would just go down quick to around 900 and then bounce right back, but we are on a falling trend, okay? So be careful. Let's see here. I'm buying it again here. Around the potential support. Let's see. I'm buying it here. Let's see if this is gonna sell off again. It's gonna be my last trade. That's if it's not working, it's not working. Really negative today. $800 should act as a resistant for shorters, but let's see here. It could dump more, okay? So be careful. Be careful, guys. I'm gonna add more to this long here. Let me see. Still holding the long. Still holding long, so I have two position where I get stopped out. Gonna add more to this long here. Let's see. Still think we're gonna hold, adding more to long. Be careful, guys. It could sell off, it could dump. If we're holding above 800, I'm pretty bullish. Back to 25,100, back to this range here. So the first two positions was around $900 loss. But then I have two position here that's running with like $400 profit, running profit. Thinking about adding more to long. So two position that was taken out. I want to see we're gonna be above 900. I like to move my stop losses to break even pretty soon. Let's see. Might moving it too quick. Let's see. It's not really holding. Haven't moved anything. It could come back. It could sell back to around 800. Same stop losses. Once we're gonna break out of 920, I'm gonna double my position and take it back. If it sells off, I'm not doing anything. Again, it could sell off now and it could break below the lows, but it could also push up now. If it push, I'm thinking about adding more, okay? No really progress. Still think it's an overreaction, but I would also like to short it if I really get confirmation. Let's see here. Still long, nothing have changed. It was just a little bit too quick. Not much progress. I'm gonna move these stop losses to break even soon. and then I'm gonna add to it. I want to see a break out of the highs here. It looks more bearish now. It's coming back again. Let's see. DAX is pushing, let's see, Wall Street. Wall Street is also coming a little bit back. Wall Street is coming back. Let's see if Nasdaq is going to turn around here. It could potentially drop down here. I really want to add to this long here. I just want to make sure I'm not doing it when things is not really confirming for me. Let's see. It's breaking out now. Come on. It could be some take profit around 62. Let's see. 30 points more. I think it could get rejected and then sell off again. It's not really confirming. Not much progress. For me, if we break out now, I'm gonna add to this long here. I think it's a long still, guys. It's not really coming up. It's extremely slow. Remember, if it breaks above 928, it's a long, okay? And then I'll add more, and I'm probably gonna make 2,000-3,000, I think. But if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. It's tricky. It's kind of like getting rejected each time it tried to break out. So it might try to break out of and take these stop losses. Let's see. It's not really giving much progress to the upside. I'm thinking about adding to it very heavily. Still holding it after 2 losses. Was too quick, but it's still fine. I still think it's gonna go up. It's a long now. It's a long. I'm gonna add to it, guys. So I'm adding to long here. Let's see here. Not much progress. This is really gonna go back again. Wow. Really impressed. Gonna move stop loss to break even. Might gonna get stopped out here. Let's see. Again, it could come back to here. But it could also rally. Not much progress. It's getting rejected each time. Now it got rejected at 900. So that's 925 over here. Come on. DAX is really pushing. Just pushed 120 points while Nasdaq is making no progress. Thought it would do more. It's not really making progress. Okay, guys, I'm gonna exit everything here with about $1,000 profit. I'm out. So I've closed everything here. I'm not super happy because I know it's gonna go back up here, but I thought it would just go quick down and then quicker up. And we should be able to get back into 25,000 or higher within the first 30 minutes. So I'm a little bit disappointed. I mean, there's no loss here. It's okay. I'm actually thinking about if I should re-enter long here because it's actually it's actually a long. You know what? I'm gonna go long again here. Just have to be a little bit careful here. I still think it's a long. Very unlucky we got stopped out. The first, it's okay. Okay, so the idea is overall right with the long above here. It's still a long. Knew it was a long. Let's see. Again, it could turn around and it could be a sell, okay? But right now I'm not doing anything. I think it's a potential fake out and I think it could retrace. It's not that I don't want to go long. I want to. I'm just gonna give it 2 more minutes. It could be a good short actually. We have resistance, we have no progress. I thought it would go up quicker. It did not. That's telling me it's weak. It's telling me it's very weak. But overall, just break even. I still want to go long. Let's see Wall Street here. So Wall Street looks like it's kind of like breaking out. I'm gonna think about taking a long again here. I'm gonna buy it here, guys, at 9:30. Let's see here. Could go against me. Let's see. Because we have a new candle coming in. I'm actually thinking about adding to it. Do we actually gonna have news coming in? We have some news coming in here, yeah. Okay. If that's gonna drop the market or it'll be interesting to see. I'm not gonna add more to it. Moving stop loss below here. So moving stop loss to lows. And I'm thinking about adding to it. If it can hold. But it could also break out, okay? It could break out, so be careful. So below here it's a short, above here it's a long, okay? Where I entered, above there's a long. So if it managed to come back here and break out, I'm gonna take a long. Let's see. I'm thinking about adding to it here again. be a little bit careful. I'm gonna add to it here, guys. Be careful. It could hold, it could also sell off. Just have a good idea, and that's the long idea. But again, it have to work quicker now, else I'm gonna stop for today. It's just getting rejected. Let's see. Once we're breaking out of like 925, if we do, moving stop losses to 900. Again, they could push it down, they could break out of this here, so be careful. It's not making much progress, to be honest. They might want to take out the lows here and then sell it off. That's what we could see. If we do not see that, I think it's gonna push back. It doesn't look like it's really gonna push. Let's see. Are they really gonna dump it? It looks like they're gonna dump it. I still think we have a strong support around here. But it's breaking out now. Come on. Are we gonna go back up? Or are we going to sell off the side Nasdaq? Let's see. Just taking liquidity. Could be a fake out. Come on. Very choppy. Doesn't seem to work. I think they're gonna try to push it below here, but how low will they push it? So it was a long up here. Now it's getting to a short. I know. I'm just moving it quick here just to see if it's a fake out. It looks like it could be a potential fake out, but it could also break out and then, yeah. Let's see here. I'm thinking about adding to it. Don't copy this setup, okay? Don't copy it. Please do not copy. Looks like it's gonna break below again. Wow. Nasdaq is really dumping. Doesn't seem to work. Gonna think about adding if it breaks above 40. I think it's gonna come back to 880. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna exit the ones I opened down here, so I don't have that crazy exposure. Still very light exposure, what I'm normally used to, but I can always add to it if it breaks out. So I want to add, and I think it's gonna come back to 880. Let's see. I hope you can kind of like see it. So it breaks out, fake out. This is where they're taking liquidity. This is where they're taking your stop losses. But overall, I still think the direction is up. Let's see. It's not really making much progress, to be honest. Guys, I am gonna also exit. Nope. No progress. I'll exit that one here for $100. So I also exit that one. Let's see, are this really gonna go all the way down again? So overall today, I'm up 3.5%. Let's see. I don't know why it says 300, because I'm down, I'm up now, I'm in profit. I don't know. That's weird. I'm also gonna exit here. Let's see. Exit also here for $100 profit. I'll just upload all the trades so you can see it transparently. So I'm out. I'm just done. Made 4.3% today. Everything is transparent. Everything is recorded. I'll upload a screenshot so you can see it in the Telegram. Percent profit today. Review after 2 sessions. So I'm done. I don't have any open positions. You can see transparently the two losses I took first with you, and then I gained everything else back. It did exactly what I expected. It didn't want to really sell off more, but again, it is what it is. I'm not going to trade more. I'm going to take a break. I actually managed to take these trades also on my other account, the Miro account. Let's see here. I think I'm up a decent amount today. I mean, not really a lot, but okay. Yeah, it's okay. $17,000 in plus. Done. Hope you enjoyed. 4.3%